Hello, my name's Hugh Beasley. I want to welcome you to our new office here in Marietta, Georgia. We've been here in Marietta, Georgia, East Cobb County for over 30 years, raised our family here. Very familiar with the area, and we buy houses here in this area. Cobb County, Georgia, Marietta, Kennesaw, specializing in East Cobb County. We do not charge any commission. We're not real estate agents, and we can actually save the seller the real estate commission. That could be like $21,000 on a $300,000 home, so it's quite a savings. So if you would, go out to our website, check us out. Hugh and Melodie buys houses. That's H-U-G-H and Melodie, M-E-L-O-D-I-E, buyshouses.com. Enter a little information on how we might be able to help you out, and we'd be happy to give you a free consultation, see how much we could give you for your house. We try to get the seller the most we can for their property and still be something that we'd be interested in. So look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. God bless.